Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. Alright, so I got this wig from ebonyline.com and she's actually a shake and go wig. Now I've never tried a shake and go wig. This is my first wig from Shake and Go. I've tried their bundles before but never actual wig. So I've been seeing this wig all over TikTok and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and invest in Miss Galina. And I purchased her for $39.99. Under $40 is not bad. Now, she comes in the number 4. Now, she is supposed to be a no glue, no gel, no adhesive type of wig. It's a shake and go snatch. That's what it's called. It comes with an elastic band. It's a 13x6 HD lace, of course. They all HD lace, of course. No mess, no fuss. Protects your natural edges. Time-saving and effective. Easy to install. Miss Galina comes in a bunch of beautiful colors like pearl blonde, poppy red, golden high, and FFH toffee. But I got her in the number 4. She is pre-plucked. As you can see, this is what the cap construction is looking like. She comes with the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable elastic band. Straight out the box, this is what Miss Thing is giving. You can go ahead and pluck her if you want to, but if you don't want to, you don't have to either. The number 4 is actually giving, and she definitely comes with the baby hairs that y'all love so much. I haven't worn a number 4 in a really long time, but I really like the texture of this wig. It's a little bit more on the silky side. She's not shiny, so she's not giving off that synthetic Barbie kind of hair. Her curl patterns are very cute, very loose. And yeah, I really like Galina. She got me feeling Spanish for real. So right here, I'm going to start installing this synthetic wig. So I'm taking my foundation brush to tint the lace with some of my foundation. Where I made a huge mistake is thinking that this wig is the same wig as the last wig that I reviewed in my last video, which was a sensational bare lace wig. Now the lace for the bare lace is a lot thinner than this one. This one's a lot thicker, so I needed actually to do more melting and more coloring and more tinting and a lot more stuff than what I actually did. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm super impressed by this wig. She is gorgeous, okay? But I had to go about installing her twice. And at the end of this video, you will see how it looks when I actually melted this wig properly and took my actual time to melt this lace. So at first I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do, if I wanted to do a side part or a middle, and I decided to do a middle part. Here I am cutting the lace, and as you can see, the lace is still looking ashy, but because I should have tinted her more, like I should have put a little bit more of my foundation on that, or at least sprayed her with a tinting spray, and I did not. So messed up. I was so upset, and when I was done, I was just like, okay, this is not it. This is not it. Plus, while I was doing this, I was really not in the mood. I got a lot going on nowadays, and mentally anyway, and I wasn't with it. Like, I did not want to do this video, and I feel like it definitely shows. So right here, I'm just using my Isha spray to go about spraying my forehead, using the blow dryer to dry it until it gets tacky enough. Again, another thing I should have did was add more of this spray to melt everything down, but again, I really wasn't with it. Like, I should have just I really need to get back into my content bag and start really creating more videos. I got a bunch of wigs here that's sitting here waiting for me, that's been waiting for me for a while. Like, Vageline, come on. We need to be reviewed. What are you doing, girl? And yeah, no, I haven't done anything. So I need to get back into it. I really do need to get back into it and find not really the motivation, but be a little bit more dedicated to this YouTube thing. Anyway, so this is me cutting the lace. You guys already know the routine. Tent the wig, melt the hair, cut the lace, add some more gel, and some more spray, and some more of this, and some more of that. And yeah, to try to go ahead and get this wig to look right. So this video is already fast forwarding. I'm just gonna let the rest of it go and then let you know my thoughts and opinions of this wig at the end of this video. All right. Alright folks, now that I got Miss Galina all the way together, let me start by saying that she gave me a little run for my money. Again, I wasn't feeling well, and no glue, no gel, no adhesive kind of threw me off too, because I'm like, baby, what are y'all talking about? I definitely still needed something. But okay, Snatch and Go, I hear you loud and clear. Here's my thing. I went on TikTok and I saw somebody else install this wig, and I was just like, wait a second, why my wig don't look like this? I need to go back and do it again. I need to go back and do this again. So here are my thoughts on and my pros and cons. First of all, I really like the way she looks. I really like the way she looks. She's giving looks. She's gorgeous. She's giving, baby, let's go shopping on Fifth Ave or something like that. Like, she's giving. My problem is, first of all, she wasn't big head friendly because she did not fit the dome properly. She didn't come up all the way. It took forever to melt the lace. Okay, once I went about plucking her the second time, as you can see here, I plucked her again. I cut the lace a little bit different. Instead of straight edge, I did, like, you know, real more zigzaggy. Put a little bit of the baby hairs up in the front. She looks good here. Mind you, right here is like literally no filter. This is me in the real, and it looks so much better. I don't think the other one was filtered either, but it looks so much better, and I like it. Would I buy her again? I don't know. Like I said, she's giving looks. She's cute and everything like that. You can dress her up. You can dress her down. Put her in a ponytail, slick back, and she'll still be giving. But I think this would probably be my only snatch and go wig. There was another one that I saw that I wanted to invest into to see, but because the lace was giving me such a little hassle just to like tint her, I don't know if I'll get her again. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Is she cute? Is she giving? Am I bugging? I might look at the pictures later and say to myself, you wildin'. You wildin'. Anyway, guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, I put the hell out of her. Damn, that shit look good in the front. Damn, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.